Now this is actually, believe it or not, easier than Ashley Way.
Okay. I don't believe you right now, but...
Right then. Hmm?
Nothing. Oh, I've got so much cat hair on me. Oh my god!
Lost your voice.
No, it's still there, I found it.
Is it there, is it?
Just about.
What it might be.
Well, speak up for the camera. I can't even hear what I'm saying, can you? Oh, I don't like this position.
We should give subtitles. What do you mean depending on your mood? What does that mean?
Oh, it's so wet. Oh. No, I don't like that. Where are the lights?
The lights are automatic.
They turn on when the car comes on?
Yeah. Let's start the engine then, clutch down.
Why is it?
Right, so we're just moving off, aren't we? So it's clutch down, first gear, find the bike.
Please wait for that car to go though.
You still get the car prepared, not going anywhere.
Oh yeah. Clutch down. First gear. Is that first gear?
Yes.
It looks like it's in third gear though.
It's first. It's leaning.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, did you put? Well, do it again. Did you push it to the left? There
Yeah.
Well, there you are then.
Okay.
Go to the bike point. Quick look round.
Good to go.
Indicator lamp. Handbrake off. Let's check your mirrors, check your blind spot.
Yep.
Okay, a little bit of gas. Count it off 3, 2, 1. A little bit more power. Off we go. Good. And now when you're ready, we can just go up to second gear, can't we? So right, look in the gear stick. Off the gas, clutch down, second gear, second gear, second gear. 3, 2, 1. Move away from the curb, Hannah. That's it. We're going to go through like that.
Going straight through.
Yeah, yeah. We'll go through and they'll come through. If you go there, look there. Now you go through that way. Come on, turn, 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 turn. More turning, Hannah. That's it. A little bit of gas in as well. A little bit of power because you've got a hill here now.
Oh yeah, I see.
Okay.
So we're second gear, aren't we?
Yeah, let's get that turn. Turning left then. Mirror signal. We'll do it on the full instruction. Let's come off the gas. See if we can roll it in second gear. It's quite a big junction. Don't on the brake yet. Just turn. Turn with the corner. Turn with the corner, Hannah. Looking. Keep turning.
Yeah, I'm good. Am I good to go?
Yeah, go. So you still got to carry on turning. Every time you look, you stop turning.
Sorry.
The corner always goes. A little bit of power then. Okay.
What's the speed limit here? 30?
30, yeah. Built up.
I'm not going to go past 23 today.
Oh no, we get the appropriate speed.
Okay.
You can't just declare I'm not. What, 23?
I was going to say 25, but I felt too ambitious, so I went for 23.
It's not. You got the appropriate speed. As long as you can stop in, as long as you can stop in the distance. No, as long as you can stop in the distance, you can see ahead. You want to be at that speed, and you're allowed for stuff. Reasonable hazards. A little bit faster.
Oh, no,
no. They give way to us.
Thank you.
No, they're thinking. They're just doing the rules. Well, it's just they're waving at everyone. Like
Okay, but if you're crossing a zebra crossing,
oh, that's different.
you say thank you because you're still following.
Yeah, you can't. They're meant to stop. So.
Okay, but.
Don't.
Okay.
I go to third gear for me. Middle and up, remember? Very good. Now we're going to go all the way to the bottom of this hill.
Can I pump the brake a little bit?
You can if you want to. If you need to slow down.
I don't like the rain.
Okay. Well, all that does is your stopping distance might be a bit longer. With this speed, it's not going to make much difference, quite frankly.
Okay. Am I okay to come up?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, you tell me.
Yes.
So just calmly come out. Because if it's wet, do that.
Sorry,
you might get into a skip, aren't we?
Yeah.
That's it. Just take a bit of speed as you go around the corner. That's enough. That's it. Off the brake. Slowed it down enough. Very nice. Now we're going to go to the end of this road.
Yep.
And turn left.
Oh, that's Roman Way. I now know that.
Uh-huh. That's it. Okay, checking your mirrors, so you just come across them. Now, we're going to be turning left, so centre mirror, left mirror.
Yep.
Signal. I'll start to slow it down with the brake, just push the speed to where you need. No, just brake gently, that's good. That's just slowing it down. Now clutch down to the first gear, but keep braking. Keep braking. First gear, off the brake, turn. Up, turn, up, turn. Going, keep turning. Looking, a little bit of gas. Turn, please. Yeah, go.
Sorry.
No, because you did this, you're not getting any speed. It's bite, gas, squeeze and go.
Okay.
Second gear. If you sit in a hazard, you want to get out the hazard and up to to speed. So going slow is not safe. It's quite the opposite, actually.
Yeah, it was such a weird experience morning. I've woken up to a Scottish voice downstairs. I was like, who is this man in the house?
It was a Scottish man.
It was a Scottish man.
There's a Scottish man in the house. Okay.
Oh,
It's
careful.
okay.
Just being careful.
That's it. Ready to go.
Oh,
Gas and go. Keep press the curve. Over gas.
I'm going and gassing.
Right?
I'm going and gassing.
You're going and gassing. Let's get going then. We're going to go across.
I give way to the right.
Yeah, so slow down. Check your mirror. Slow down slow in case there's a car there. Slow until you can go. Happy to go?
Yes.
Go. So you're slow. You're coming at the speed, so you could stop at the stop line.
Do I keep going to like look like I can go?
Well, you're slowing down so you can stop, but when you can go, you can go.
So if I get to the point, okay, let's say.
Easing off. Giving way to the right. So
if
here.
I get to like this point here.
Is it clear?
And I can't see anyone, then
Yeah.
I can go.
Then you can go. Yeah.
Okay.
But you have to do it at a speed that if there was something, you can stop at the give way.
Got it.
So you're always coming in to slow down the stop, but as soon as you're okay to go, and because you've got the gear ready,
yeah,
we can go.
Okay, it's quite busy now.
Still only one car, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's nothing in front of you. So because there's more cars, you've only got one in front and one behind to deal with.
Yeah.
Nothing changes. Your brain thinks it is. Oh, it's busy. It's really panicky. No, it's not really. Turning left. Turning left. That's it. Think about slowing it down to stop at the giveaway. And as you're slowing it down, slow down then. Clutch down first gear, but keep slowing it. Focus on stopping. Ease off the brake to the bite. Hold the bite. Turn, Hannah. Turn. Turn the top. Turn the top. Gas. Turn it in. And then power the way. 4, 3, 2, 1. Gear. So that's when I would want you off the clutch by then powering it through. So remember the clutch. Remember the clutch. Bite from there. How much power you're putting through it. Yeah. And if you just do that, you've put no power through the clutch. So it's absolutely pointless exercise. All you're going to do is stall in the junction. Mirrors first. Slow, go straight across. Slow down slow until you can go. Happy with what you see?
Yep.
Good. If there was a car there, what would you do? Just do clutch down to first gear, wouldn't you?
Okay.
Okay.
Why would I not just hold the brake down?
Because it'll stall because you're going on low speed.
Yeah. Oh, so in third gear, second gear.
Second gear, you need to drop it down to move off, wouldn't you? First
Okay,
gear.
yeah, that makes sense.
Hold on. Happy?
Yep, very
Okay.
happy.
Next time we're going to drive down there.
Okay. Is that the headlights?
That's the headlights.
Ah.
Can you
Oh
watch
my
your
gosh,
position?
I'm so sorry.
Right then, hill start time.
Oh,
Why would a car stall more likely to stall on a hill?
Because you need to have more gas.
Because
You're going down, the gravity's working against you.
yeah, so it needs more what?
Power?
More power. So if you don't put, and of course the car is going to stall if you haven't got enough power. If you ask the car to do something, it hasn't got enough power,
Yeah,
it's going to stall. So if I gave you a shopping trolley,
yeah,
filled it with bricks, and asked you to push it along a flat,
yeah.
you'd feel the difference if I put it on a hill.
Yeah.
The car's no different, it weighs a ton, so it needs a lot more power. And mostly what happens when people stall, when they move off, they don't have enough power, then they panic and jump off like that.
Yeah.
Which again, if you jump off the power too quickly, so in actual fact, we have to squeeze the power through. So it's really important that we are a lot more careful with the clutch coming off and put more power through it as you're bringing it out. So remember, that's the biting point and that's off. Imagine how much power you're going to be putting through. So you might need to start with a little bit more power to start off with and then keep pushing that power through as we're moving the car and accelerating it away.
Wait, can I say something quickly? If I started off the car in second gear,
Yeah?
surely that'd be easier because it means if I'm on a hill start, because it has got more potential energy.
It hasn't got, second gear is less. On the bicycle,
Yeah.
if you moved off on first gear, you're doing a lot more rotations,
Yeah.
so you're putting more power over a shorter distance. That's what gear is, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you're on a higher gear, you're doing less turns. So you know if you move off on the higher gear on a bike, you
It's
can't
like hard,
get
yeah.
that's because your legs haven't got the power to try and do all those
Oh,
rotations.
okay.
And that's what gears are basically. It's a relationship between torque and speed.
Torque.
Torque is like power over distance.
Okay.
So if you imagine, if your legs have rotated that much, your legs have moved that much distance in the circular on the bicycle to move the bicycle that much. On the higher gear, it's moved less to go further. Now that energy has to split over there. You haven't got the power.
Yeah. Okay.
You've got speed, but you haven't got power. So the more rotations, the shorter the distance. You've got more power. It's called torque,
Okay.
I think.
I've never heard of that before personally.
Torque.
Torque.
Q-U-E.
Torque. Like torque. Okay.
Yeah, not like what you do. Okay then.
Anyway.
Now, to move off, stop it
Yes.
from jumping off, and at the moment, because you're quite new to driving, your brain gets confused about which leg to send the signals down.
Yeah.
So we're going to focus it on getting the biting point, focus on that biting point, then focus on the gas. So you're focused on your left foot, you're focused on the right foot, and then on your left foot, just a little bit of movement until you feel it just starting to move, then freeze, and then squeeze it together.
Squeeze, okay.
Yeah, so bite.
Bite.
Okay.
Wait.
Ease.
Find the bite.
So find the bite, set the gas.
How much gas? Only a little bit.
Enough. Well, a couple enough.
Just to get moving.
Well, enough. We're not going to. It's not going to move it, isn't it, until you come off the clutch. But enough power, potential power. It doesn't really matter if you put more in because that's going to hold the power there. So bite.
Bite.
Gas.
Yep.
Ease.
Yep.
Freeze. Squeeze.
Okay. You might actually say it when I'm doing it as well.
Okay. Bite. Gas. Ease.
Bite, gas.
Freeze.
What does ease mean?
Squeeze. Ease means come back.
Oh, ease.
Ease off the clutch.
Freeze until I'm still moving.
Freeze and get a little bit of movement and then squeeze it together.
Okay.
Clutch down, first gear. Okay, done that.
Yes.
Bite. Listen to the engine. A little bit more. There you go, lovely. Just a millimetre less, just come slightly. Yeah, that's it there, hold it there. So bite, gas.
A little bit of gas.
Yes.
At the same time.
Yeah, gas. That's enough gas, hold your foot. Handbrake off. More gas, okay. Ease, just a little bit. Freeze. Squeeze.
Oh yeah, that was so good, that was good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Second gear. Put your hands
Sorry,
on the wheel.
I'm so sorry.
We are the champions.
There's just so much information in one go.
Now, I was keeping an eye on what's around you there. I didn't want you to do the mirrors and things. It's too distracting. It's a quiet road, and you would have looked round, signalled and moved off. But I was keeping an eye on what was going on there. I just wanted you to really focus on your feet, because doing all this and doing that is too much going on. So, do you like that?
Yes.
Bite, gas, ease,
freeze,
squeeze.
Okay, that was good. Why does the steering wheel feel really loose?
Because it's called power steering.
Power?
Because you're holding the steering wheel nice and lighter now.
Oh yeah.
Now, technique for turning left on a hill, or turning on a hill. Here we go. So mirror signal left. Don't use the brake.
Oh.
As you get up to the point of turn, clutch down, first gear, first gear. Come back to the bite, feel the bite, and a little bit of gas, move it up on the bite. There you jumped up. There you jumped off the clutch there.
Did I?
Yeah. So, let's try that again. Clutch down, first gear. Now on the really steep hill now. Clutch down. First gear. Sorry, yeah. Clutch down, first gear. I saw something different. Come to the bite. A bit more on the bite. A bit more. Let's feel it. A little bit less. Okay. Gas. Okay. A bit more gas. You're on a steep hill. Handbrake off. Okay. There we go. So ease, freeze, squeeze, turn, and then what do? Now we squeeze. Squeeze it away, and I want every junction moving away. So you're rotating the car into position, if you like, from the junction, and as it comes from a bit like an aircraft coming out onto the runway, ease, squeeze, and go.
Never seen it. I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, there's a wrong.
Can I windscreen wipe this?
Yeah.
How do I do that?
Does an airplane tear off down the runway only when it's facing the runway? It comes on, taxis on. So I want you to kind of like rotate the car around. Think of rotating the car around to it straight, and then accelerating it away. Okay, so what we're going to do? We're going to go mirror signal, off the gas. Yeah, easy off.
So I've got right.
Yes, you have. Ready? Go, clear on the right, Go on, go. That's it. Follow the road down, please. Now, think about staying in the middle here.
Okay, like just like straightening the line.
Slow down a bit. Think about what could go wrong to make you have to stop suddenly. What three things could happen down this road?
Someone reversing.
Someone coming for driveway, yeah.
Another car coming.
Well, that'll be a lot more distance, so you'd see a bit more warning. A pedestrian. Maybe a car door opening. Maybe a car coming out. So we have to drive at a speed, even though legally you could do 30 down here. You have to drive at a speed. If someone came out, I wouldn't be able to stop, and that's called the what-if speed.
Okay.
And what that means is you're driving for a hazard that could happen, but hasn't happened.
Okay.
Or might not even happen. But it might happen. So if it does happen, we can deal with it.
Straddling. Yes.
Yeah, we're down the middle. It's like the gear sticks going down the centre line, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just keep an eye on both cars. Move right there, a little bit there.
It's like Cambridge here, isn't it?
Just a little bit. Move away from the side. So if you start scanning from side to side, you'll see if your car's in the middle.
Yeah.
If you start looking on one side, you're going to move away from it. Look, coming close to that car. Because look around you from side to side. I can see you're only looking on one side of the road. Look. Okay, if you do that, you're judging yourself on two sides. Let's put up her little brake. Done well. Just pull up on the left hand side.
Oh.
Mirror signal left.
Yeah, mirror signal left. Yeah, what do you again?
So look in the left curb, move it away, brake and clutch down. Clutch down and stop. That's it. Stop the car. Get the car secure then. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. Signal.
Subscribe to the channel. Hit that